Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to return an online order in Sephora. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Sephora account, which of course I have done right here. Now, I'd like you to know that Sephora is a French multinational retailer of personal care and beauty products with nearly 340 brands, along with its own private label, which is known as Sephora Collection. Now, this collection includes beauty products such as cosmetics, skincare, fragrance, nail color, beauty tools, body lotions, and hair care. So now that we know a bit of what Sephora is about, let's quickly hop into today's step, which is how to return an online order. Okay, so if you want to return an online order, let's go ahead and see how that works. So remember that you will not be able, okay, so you'll not be able to modify or make changes to your order, let's say after 1 hour of placing that order in Sephora. Well, let's quickly head over to how we can see what we can do to return this order online. So online purchase returns procedures. So here are two ways to return your item from Sephora.com or third-party marketplace order. Now, number one, you can use the Sephora.com returns by mail. All right, so how do you do that? Go ahead and click here to start or track a return. So we're going to use the hyperlink for us to do that. But then there are a couple things they need to know. Using the link above indicates which item will be returned and the reason for each return. No packing slip is needed if the prepaid return label is used. Package your return item in the manufacturer's product box and Sephora packaging if possible. Otherwise, pack your return in a well-padded envelope or box to prevent damage in transit. Print a prepared return label or request a printless FedEx mobile return code if available from the link above. Drop off the package at one of the specified FedEx locations and track your return using the link above. You will receive an email confirmation, when your return is processed. Now, it takes up to 30 days to process returns and credit your account or to issue an online store credit. Please note that your financial institution may take longer to reflect the transaction. Items purchased at Sephora stores, buy online pickup and store purchases and same-day delivery orders, and Sephora items ordered on Instacart, DoorDash, or shipped cannot be returned by email. Now, gift cards, certain Sephora favorite kits, and some intimate care items are final sale and cannot be returned by mail or in store. Now, items with specific shipping restrictions, hazmat items are not eligible for printerless returns and must be returned via USPS. You can click there for more information on hazmat items. So we're going to click on this. Click here to start or track return. So over here, you're going to have to enter your other information to get started. Okay, so please allow 30 days from when the package is mailed for refunds to be processed and you receive an email when your return is complete. So over here, enter your order number, and once you enter your order number, enter your shipping zip code. And once you enter your shipping zip code, go ahead and click on next. And once you click on next, they're going to take you through the step-by-step process. So you just follow the on-screen prompt, and once you're done, you will be able to get your money, all right, on refunding, or for you're going to be able to get your money on returning that item successfully on Sephora. So click on next and follow the on-screen prompts and you'll be good to go. Now you can go over to tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be as good as good. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.